Looking to create a animated GIF? You can do that with DaVinci Resolve. Let's throw some Text Plus onto DaVinci Resolve. Just make some animation points to see how this works. Choose some colors, get it looking good. Making this on Linux. DaVinci Resolve works great on Linux. Love it. This is just a quick tutorial how to create an animated GIF with DaVinci Resolve. My operating system choice is Linux, so the software works great on Linux. Just trying to get off Microsoft. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Looks good. Should be able to render this now. Go ahead and go to the export page, or deliver page, not export page, deliver page. Do custom export and choose format of GIF and animate. Add to render, and here is my export. You can set this for unlimited or set how many times you want to loop, but yep, super simple, easy to do with DaVinci Resolve.